A year ago, I found this passive income money-making method called YouTube automation, and it completely changed my life. I had no money. I lost my first business due to some reasons, and I had no job, but YouTube automation saved me from becoming homeless. And I'm going to show you exactly what you should do to completely change your life with YouTube automation and become rich. Here is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to find a viral YouTube niche on YouTube and find the best channel in that niche. And I'll make a similar and unique version of that channel. And yes, I'm going to show you how to create videos for that specific niche. This video is going to be packed with free knowledge. And guys, before we start the process, drop a comment mentioning where you are watching from. Let's start with the niche research. Now, I normally use this YouTube extension called NextLev. You can install it by going to their website. And after you install it, make sure to pin this extension to your browser like this. Then, your YouTube homepage should look like this. And if you click this filter option, you can see all the details about these videos, such as subscriber count, number of views, and uploaded date. And I want you to click this subscriber to views count. This will filter these videos based on the subscribers to views ratio, which means you will be able to see videos which has gained millions of views with a small subscriber count. And these are the videos that you should be looking for, because these are currently going viral. I have created this Word document which contains 20 niches and their RPM values. And if you want to know more about which niches are the best and which niches you should avoid, watch this video. Today I'm going to go with the science niche. And guys, I use some keywords related to the science niche, and look at this. I'm comparing views and subscribers using NextLev. This video was uploaded by a channel with 108 subscribers 6 days ago, and it has gained 127,000 views. That's crazy. Same with this second video, which has 8.5 million views with only 34,000 subscribers. So, we now know that people love to watch this niche, and this science niche has around $3 to $6 RPM. So it's going to be a profitable niche. I found this channel which is doing extremely well in this niche. They have gained around 850,000 subscribers with just 64 videos, which is mind-blowing. As you can see here, this channel is monetized, and if you click this analytics option, you can see all the analytics about this channel. Let's check how much this channel has made in the last 28 days. They have made approximately $37,000. I mean, this channel has gained 79 million views, and if you check the RPM of this channel, it's around $4, which means YouTube is paying $4 for every 1,000 views. Now, if you click this similar channel option, you can find out all the other competitors and similar channels in this niche. Then, you can check these channels one by one and understand which videos are performing well, so that we can start our new channel based on those information. So, I have found 3 channels, and I'm going to follow those 3 and create a unique channel similar to those. The first channel is this one, I already showed you this, and the next channel is this one called Infographic Show, which has around 17 million subscribers. The third channel is called this. The crazy thing is they have gained 580,000 subscribers with just 16 videos. So, this one is going to be my main inspiration for the new channel. Now, let's start the channel creation process. First, we need a name. If you are struggling to come up with a name for your channel, just go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate several name ideas. You can use a simple prompt like this. As you can see here, we have some amazing name ideas for our new channel. From this list, I really like this one, which is Neuronix. And guys, you can generate a channel description as well using ChatGPT. These are very easy and simple works. Therefore, I'm not going to go into details. After that, you need to generate a logo and a banner for this new channel. I'm going to use Leonardo AI for this part. If you prefer any other image generator, you can use that as well. So, I would like to have a very simple logo like this channel. Instead of the black background, I will use pastel red and white for this logo. This is the prompt I'm going to use for this logo generation. And I'm going to try several presets from here. And let's make several generations and select a good one for this channel. Make sure to use this square ratio for the logo generation process. We have several logos. This one looks good, but I only needed 2 colors. I don't know what this is. It's a mess. And this one is also cool, but I think this logo is the best version for this channel. Therefore, let's download it. Now, I'm going to make a banner image for this new channel. I'm going to select this vertical aspect ratio for this banner, and let's use this same prompt and edit it a little bit. I'm going to add a text saying Taste of Universe, and let's make several generations. As you can see here, Both of these banner looks good to me. I'm gonna go with this second banner. And now that we have all the material to open our new YouTube channel, let's go ahead and do it. Let's add the name and create the channel, and I'm gonna upload the banner and logo image as well. Now that our channel is complete, the next step is to create videos for this niche. First, we need to do some research to find out which viral topic we should talk about and make a video about. As you can see here, this channel has some videos that have gone viral, like this video, which was uploaded 2 months ago and gained 144,000 views. This video is about the science of painkillers. And I have found some insanely viral videos from the next channel I selected, like this video which was uploaded 5 days ago and now has 856,000 views. And this one which has gained 520,000 views in 11 days. These are basically viral video topics. We can make videos about these topics, and there is a high chance of going viral with one of these topics. Let me show you a cool thing. If you open one of these viral videos, you will be able to see these additional options that come with the Nextlev extension. And using these, you can download the thumbnail of this video, copy the script of it, and capture any frame. I will show you why these options are really helpful to make a better version of this video. Now, if you go to the comment section and click this Analyze Comment option, this AI tool will analyze all the comments and give you a summary like this basically. You can directly see what viewers liked about this video and what they didn't like about this video, and then you can apply those to your video and improve it. Not only that, but based on the questions that the viewers have asked, you will get new video ideas. As you can see here, in this video, a lot of viewers have asked about a person called Hisashi Ouchi. I don't know who that is. I think it's a person who died from radiation. So, if we create a video about this person, it will probably go viral. Using these options, you can copy the script of this video, but if you directly use the script or copy at least a part of it, you will get a copyright strike, so don't do it. Instead, read the script and create your own and better version of it for your video. Based on our research, I'm going to do a video about the death of this person, Hisashi Ouchi. Let's create the video script first. So, I found out that this person was a victim of a Japanese nuclear power plant who got exposed to huge amount of radiation. I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate a script for this video, but I will not directly use that script. I'm going to change it a little bit. You can do the same. Let's use this prompt to create the script. You can use this prompt, and all you need to do is replace this topic with your video's topic. Let's generate the script and see the results. Okay, this only took like 10 seconds. I'm already loving this script. Just like this, you can generate the script for your video. Now, we can go to the next step, which is converting this script to a voiceover. I'm going to use 11 Labs for this process. This tool has hundreds of AI voices. You need to select a casual voice, which is good for storytelling. You can check these voices and select the best voice for your channel. For this example, I'm going to go with this AI voice called Vincent Sparks. Then, you can copy the script part by part and generate voiceovers for the whole script. This process will only take about 5 minutes. It's all just copying and pasting. After you complete that process, we can start to create visuals for this video. First, you need to read the whole script at least 2 times and understand the whole plot. Now, we need to make some animated cartoon scenes to represent some scenes, and we are going to use some of the actual images as well. So, let's first start with generating some images. Now, I have created a very specific prompt to generate images with this cartoonish style. You can use this prompt, just replace these sentences in the brackets with what you want to generate. It's as simple as that. Let's make an image of a person going toward a nuclear facility for work. This looks perfect, so just like this, you need to make images for all the necessary scenes. As you can see here, I have generated several images for this script using that prompt. Now, we need to animate these images to use in our video. For that, I'm going to use a tool called AI Video. Using this tool, you can convert any image or text into a stunning video. What you need to do is, once you activate your account, you need to open a new project like this. As you can see here, you can generate videos with just a text or an image. You need to select this Kling 1.6 AI model and select this image to video option. Now you need to upload the image you want to animate to here. Then just type the details here. This process may take around 5 minutes, and you can convert all of your images to a stunning animation like this. After you convert all the images to the animations, go to Google and download several real images of this incident. And with that, we can make the final edit of this video. I'm going to use CapCut for this editing process. First, you need to open a new project and make sure to select this Modify button and change the aspect ratio to 16:9 for long videos for YouTube. Then, you need to import all the material that we collected to here. After that, let's start the editing process by adding voiceover part to the timeline. If the voice file has a lot of pauses, you can cut and remove those parts like this. After you complete that part, you can start to adding video clips and images. Make sure to add suitable video clips to align with the story. And I'm going to add some text animations as well. For that, go to the text and add a default text layer like this, and you can type the sentence you want and change its font and edit its appearance using this menu. Then, you can go to this animation option and add some text animations to this text as well. Just like this, keep adding text and video clips. Whenever you're going to add the real images of this incident, don't just add it as a steady image, you can animate it. First, increase the scale of the image like this and click this button to add a keyframe. Then, go to the end point and scale down the image and add another key point. It will make this cool zoom out effect. So just like this, complete your whole video. It's not that complicated. Let's see the final video.
Imagine waking up in a hospital, your body slowly falling apart, yet you cannot die. Your cells are breaking down one by one, but the machines keep you alive. This is not a horror story. This is the real-life nightmare of Hisashi Uchi, the man who suffered the worst radiation exposure in history. It was a routine day at the Tokaimura nuclear facility in Japan. The date was September 30th, 1999. Uchi, a 35-year-old technician, was working alongside his colleagues, unaware that within moments, his life would change forever. For years, Japan's nuclear industry had been pushing production limits, sometimes cutting corners to meet demands. And on that fateful day, a dangerous mistake was made, a lethal mistake. In a rush to complete their task, Uchi and his team manually mixed a highly concentrated uranium solution, something that should have never been done. As the liquid swirled in the stainless steel container, it reached a critical mass.
Finally, let's create a thumbnail for this video as well. It's not that complicated. You can use Leonardo AI to generate an image about this video, and then add some text to it using Photoshop or any editor. So, I'm not going to go into details for this part. You can get all of these prompts from our Discord, join it, and get the prompt document. And with that, this video has come to an end. And I really hope this video was helpful for you. If you watched this video till the end, drop a comment mentioning what you think about this video. I will see you guys in the next one.